Hey, Happy New Year. Hope you're doing well. One of the things I just was working on today, wanted to share it with you, is getting my offer schedule done. I've typically looked at a launch schedule, which is like getting my courses I want to launch done and the marketing, but I'm looking at something different this year called an offer schedule. And the more I watch people who are seven-figure businesses and beyond, they've got daily offers. They know that next Wednesday, this product will go on discount or go on sale, or this is what we're marketing. And so I'm really focusing on a launch schedule. And I was supposed to get this done at the end of last year, but the truth is I was wiped out. So I'm back in the office feeling refreshed. And so I did set up kind of my year at a glance, which I walk myself and all Alliance members through. And then what I'm doing now is now taking that year at a glance, putting it on my monthly, and I do this in pencil so I can erase, I can move things around. And then I took a regular little sticky notepad, cut it in half. So then I wrote the different offers on it that I've got, all the products, the courses, the books. And so I'm writing those out and I'm going to stick them on here so I know what I'm offering every single day or how long an offer is going to be up. And I have an issue that I'm such an all or nothing person. It's like I'm all in. And so I'm like, I got to plan all 12 months out. And today I was like, no, I don't. Just take the baby step of doing January. Get that done well. And then I'm working on my daily flow. So I know come in, take a look at finances, take a look at Basecamp. Do I have my team scheduled to do what they need to do? Are they on track? What am I supposed to be getting done today? And then moving into outgoing correspondence and then marketing. So really excited about that. And just wanted to offer that. I'll be doing more work with me sessions, but just wanted to bring that to you today. Remind you to do your offer schedule. And then what I'm going to do once I have it written out on these kind of, doodle calendars, I will put it on my overall wall calendar. And so you can see that I took down the other calendar from last year. And so I'll get my schedule up for this year and get all the meetings in place. One of the things I'm really committed to doing better this year is having more recovery time and then being very careful about what I say yes to, because I need to make sure I've scheduled in the work time to do things. I've already got some clients in my consulting work and some other things going on. And so that's what's up. So want to challenge you to get your offer schedule done. And if you're not making daily offers, and that includes following up with people that you need to make offers to, making sure your technology is working for you. I realize in my system, it has the capability to do upsells or, hey, people who got this were also interested in this. And I don't even have that set up. So I'm also sitting here on Basecamp getting my team topics and projects and tasks out of my head. I actually have them written down on note pieces of paper. You guys can tell I sticky note everything. And so want to get that into Basecamp so my team knows how to best support me so I can stay ahead of things. I've always felt like I'm chasing my business and in this frantic pressure cook mode. I am not going back there this year. So what are you working on? Talk to you soon.